Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn how we can place the water tank in the terrace floor. In the terrace floor, we have the staircase headroom. Above the staircase headroom, we are going to place the water tank. To place the water tank, first we should know the size of the water tank. Let's calculate the size of the water tank. As per NBC, National Building Code of India, we have the per capita demand per day is 135 liters for residential purpose. 135 liter per day. For example, in this house 10 people are living, 10 occupants. We can calculate the water capacity by multiplying 135 with the number of people. We get 1350 liters per day. This is the calculation, but we cannot go with the exact 1350 liter per day because some day we may require more water and someday we may require less water. So what we can do here is underground tank also will provide in the parking area, so that capacity will be of more than 7000 liters. Here in the overhead tank we can plan for a capacity of 5000 liters, so that if any problem then we can store the water for at least 2 days. So for the safer side we can go with the 5000 liter capacity of tank. Now we know the capacity of water tank. 5000 liter is the total capacity. So for this we need to arrive the size of the water tank. Now let's calculate the size of the water tank. 1 cubic feet is equal to 28.3 liters. So by using this we have to calculate the size of the water tank. Let's take 5 feet by 6 feet and the height of 3 feet water tank. We get 90 cf. These values are in feet. We multiply this, we get the value in cubic feet. 90 cubic feet multiplied by 28.3 is coming around 2547 liter, which is not sufficient for us. So let's go with the higher size. Let's take the size of 10 feet by 8 feet by 3 feet height. We'll get 240 CFT multiplied by 28.3. We get 6792 liters. This is too less and this is too high because we are going to opt for 5000 liter capacity. Let's try with 8 feet by 8 feet by 3 feet, which comes around 192 liter. This will multiply with 28.3, which comes around 5433.6 liter. We can go with this size. This is matching our requirement. So let's provide the tank size of 8 feet by 8 feet by 3 feet. Let's draw a rectangle of 8 feet. 8 feet. Let's place this water tank in the southwest corner. This is the correct location to place the water tank as per Vastu Shastra. To provide the support for this water tank, we can just copy these two columns and raise up to 8 feet. These two columns will be the support for the water tank, and then we can make the brickwork here and here and we can place the water tank. Even if you want, you can just move little bit this side around 12 inches and then you can keep like this. This one I'm going to make it in the dotted line. Let's change the color of this. Let's name it as OHT, overhead tank. OHT, size 8 feet by 8 feet by 3 feet. We need to provide access to this OHT. For that we can take this ladder and then we can place it over here. Just we can rotate like this, move and then place it over here. Here we can change this staircase step lines into dotted lines so that it represents it is going to the next floor. Let's add the leader over here to show the upward direction. We can draw the leader by using LE command. Draw the leader, enter. Let's change the size of the arrow to 8 inches. Just move this arrow here. Let's copy this text right up. Next, coming to this floor, here also let's select these lines and then put it in this dash line make the color to gray. Just copy this arrow over here, and this number we can change. Here it's stopping at 19, so this one we can change to 20. So till 38 steps we have. Let's copy the same numbering to the terrace floor as well. Delete this. Copy, paste it over here. We have completed placing the overhead water tank in the terrace floor. This steel ladder is provided for the maintenance purpose. I hope you have learned how we can place the overhead water tank in the terrace floor. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.